Happy 4th of July. It's appropriately warm out here. So what do we do in the garden? Let's expand. Let's go ahead and plant some suckers. Yesterday we went ahead and planted this purple and this sweet basil. I'm gonna put 2 of these tomatoes right here, and then we'll have to find a spot for these other ones. So just like everything else, just move that mulch back down to bare soil. And then we're just gonna dig a small little hole. This doesn't have to be very wide, but I'm gonna take it down a little ways. Do that in both spots. It's a good 6-7 inches down. I might have to go a little deeper than that. See where these roots are. Actually, I'm gonna just clip that bottom part off. We got roots, and they're starting to come out here. This entire stem will root. I'm gonna go ahead and take this leaf off also. And I guarantee you, these are gonna look puny for a few days. Don't worry about that. In this heat, they already look a little puny. This one looks a little better. And it's got roots all the way down here. I am gonna go ahead and clip this bottom part off. I'm gonna have to take a couple of these leaves off also. That's right down there at ground level. So we clip that one off. Down in our hole. And then just backfill. Just gently snug that down. We're gonna mulch in around these. All right, we got 3 more to find a home for. And we got that basil. Now I think where we planted the zinnia from seed, be able to go right here. Snug that down in there. Mulch in around. Oh, let's go ahead and put one of these basil right here. What do you think? Whoo! Now that's a root ball for you. Get those roots down in there. There you go. You know what? These 2 are looking pretty sad, and they don't even have roots started on them yet. So we're gonna put these back in the greenhouse, see if we can't get these 2 rooted. These are the slips we put in yesterday. And even in the deep mulch, you want to continue to water your new things till those roots get established. Yeah, the mulch holds the moisture, but you want to give these every chance you can. Let's go water what we just put in. Now these do look a little puny, but we'll be able to follow these between this purple basil and the sweet basil. And we'll see what kind of production we get this year. I believe if you take a sucker off today, in 5 days you'll be able to get it in the ground, and you still have time to produce some tomatoes. We can also track this one. It's right next to the zinnia that we planted from seed and these sweet basil we just put in. See what kind of harvest we got. So we put 3 in, 2 didn't make roots. We'll check those in the next couple days. We still have a few basil to put in the ground, but as warm as it is right now, and it does say we're gonna get a little rain tonight, I'm gonna let that happen and we'll put some more in tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice and cool, 88 degrees. We'll see if that happens. You can do this too. You just continue to plant in your deep mulch. Continue to bring the mulch in. It's a process. But I do say the hardest work you're ever gonna do is harvest. We're gonna do some harvesting tomorrow. I hope you join me for that. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.